Hey y'all, today we're making buttermilk pie. Let's get into it. So you're going to need a pie crust, you're going to need buttermilk, sugar, melted butter, eggs, okay, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and some flour. Okay, so y'all, this recipe is so easy. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started by adding our sugar into the bowl. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and add our melted butter into the bowl. Here we go, giving this a little whisk. And y'all, this is also known as custard pie, okay? Some of you all may have heard it as buttermilk pie or custard pie. It's all one and the same. So you go ahead and whisk your butter and your sugar together until it's well blended, yes. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add the eggs in there. All right, add our flour. Just dump that right on in there. And we're going to go ahead and give that another whisk and get that all nice and well blended. Okay, and all you need is a whisk. You don't need like a hand mix or anything like that. Y'all see how easy it is to go ahead and whisk this together just with a regular whisk, but you want to make sure that you get it blended up real well. Y'all, this pie is not overly sweet. If you like a little bit more of a sweeter pie, you might want to add a little bit more sugar. If you like a little bit more of a tartar pie, you want to add a little bit more lemon juice. Just really make it your own. Okay, so we add our lemon juice in there, our vanilla extract. Right, and we go ahead and add our buttermilk in there, and then we're going to go ahead and give this another whisk. And this is our last whisk before we go ahead and add our mixture into our pie. So what you need is a regular pie crust. Your pie crust should have been sitting out while you were getting your ingredients prepped and while you were mixing everything together to make sure that it's been sitting out about 15 minutes before you get ready to pour your filling in there. Okay, and you just pour it right in there. And a good idea is to go ahead and sit it on a cookie sheet so it's easy to go ahead and transfer from the oven when the pie is done without creating any cracks, y'all. Okay, and here is our pie 50 to 55 minutes later, nice and golden brown, y'all. It's that easy. Go ahead and let it cool, of course, before you cut it. And that's it, buttermilk pie. Please like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Catch you next time.